Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the dictate function in Word. The best way I can use it is recording some of the speeches, turning them to text. Yes, there are many ways to do this, but sometimes you get fixed and you already have Word on your computer. Please open the Word. It should be 2019 and above or 365. So I'm going to play sound on the different gadget that is on the phone, and I want to record the words into text because I want to use that quotation, that quote the guy in the video was talking about. I want it in text. Maybe you want to repost it or something else. Or you recorded a meeting and you want it to be converted to text. There are many other apps outside there. This is the simplest you can have always in handy. So I will start the dictate. You'll go to always home. Then at the end there is dictate. The moment you open it, it will show you that it has started recording.
You know, sometimes you just need to relax, have faith, and hope things work out. Let go a little, and just let life happen.
I'm leaving home for the coastline.
You can't control.
So that's it, guys. You see, it even recorded the last word I said, and it is still recording. So we shall have to stop here. So our speech was, the quote I wanted was starting from, this recording was not meant to be part. So, sometimes you just need to relax, have faith, and hope things work out like a little. And so this is where it ends. Those were other words I was taking on. So you can also use this to record your speech. If you don't want to type, you can start speaking as you're recording your speech into text. Then you do a few edits and all is done. Otherwise, thanks for watching and meet you in another video. Bye.